Yeah, nigga, you alright.
Yo.
Just woke up and shit.
Good morning, Facebook. Everything good? Yeah, you know. What's up? It's my morning chit chatter. Chit chatter. You dig?
Our shit, yeah. My nigga Haiti, he made that shit. My nigga Dre riding on that shit.
You do this shit for me.
Hit the beat, listen to it, bump to it. Yeah. Ever since growing up from day one, I was brought up in the slum with my gun. Used to do things that was good, used to do things that was bad, till I started to understood what life's all about. So once I understand it, I'ma make it without a doubt. And yes, I'ma make it in the race, like it's 1979 and I'm Scarface. No matter where you are, no matter where you is, that means you gotta fucking win. You gotta win, nigga. You gotta, hey! Said life is a game, if you win it and you gonna win it. That means you can't let them haters hold you down. You gotta push it to the limit. Like the nigga named Rick Ross, Rich Boss. Life is a game, if you win it then you win it.
Red Bill, get this.
I eat it, I was just doing it.
So we give Ed Pool in that morning, you know what I said?
So we start off with the, see me I say, we start off with the, right?
I'm X from the mall, X from the mall. I got that shit on deck, them niggas on my neck. I'm X from the mall, X from the mall. Them bitches on my deck, I got that shit on deck. Them niggas on my dick, them niggas on my neck, them niggas on my dick. Yeah, fuck the hook. Let me do my thing. Listen, S from the mall, ever seen haters. Ain't gonna stop saying this cause I see haters. Every time I wake up, I put my shades on, so I got the sun out, so I can't see haters. What the fuck you talking about? Open up the door, oh, I'm coming over, and you better open up wide, cause I'm putting this thing in your mouth, baby. You can call me Dr. Dennis, up. All I do is upload in your mouth. I'm talking explosion, blow in your mouth. I sound dirty, but I'm a freak bitch, and I can't tell you to ever diss it.
My dog, Prezi, is it?
They are represent you, see me?
I don't know. Gallus.
Every day. Y'all probably I see that now and say, when I worry, what ain't even a word thing, babes. I just life, cause you can't, I can't ask like one person when you see me I seen a taking. We there. You see me I say?
Is it?
Cause I know you have your man and you see other man out the way you like, it's a cute man out there. You probably see me and want me to. That you don't even know.
Come on, stick around with me. Let me take it to the atmosphere. Let me show you that the Blowsmoke, you know. You already know that we over here, yo. Every day we in the crib smoking up. Every day we in the crib rolling up. Every day rolling up, rolling up. You be coming to the city, you only wanna screw us. Screw us, you can't screw me. You can't screw me, you gotta let me screw you. I'm going to job and you to screw me, so let me screw you. This what you talking about. You can't even do nothing. I'ma show you something that they never taught you. I'ma teach you something that your dad never told you. I'ma teach you something that your dad never ever want you to do. I know you want me to screw. I can't see you, I'ma screw you. Let me screw you, baby. Let me screw you, baby. Let me screw you, baby.
Chit chatter. Good morning, Facebook. Is it?